Mr. Pinistar back at it again. So I recently did a video where I updated my cold air intake tubing and added a 4-inch diameter coupler on there because I wanted to seal in all my air and want to let you guys know that I'm happy with the results that it yielded. And I'm noticing this driving now that my throttle response is a lot better. And I knew this whole time that I was, something was a little bit off in the Batmobile, and I think that was the main problem. And so I thought that changing my tune around would help, and it did help, of course, essentially, because that's how the car's thinking, that's how it's being programmed. But yeah, once I put on that new coupler, and now I got a complete seal of my air through my tubing, like, car feels great, feels a lot more responsive, and I feel like when I step on it, it really picks up and go a lot better. And so just want to remind you guys, like, when you install your cold air intakes and your tubings and all that, just make sure it's done right the first time. Learn from my mistakes. Make sure that air is completely sealed in, so you're not losing power or throttle response. And if you already have yours set right the first time, go back and check it. Make sure your hoses are in good order. Make sure your clamps are on there tight. If things have slid off or getting jacked up, go ahead and fix that, because it's always good to check on your car and make sure you got some good maintenance routines going on. But in any case, that's all I had to say. Quick little video. Everything's good. Enjoying life, and I'm out. Peace.